Hello gardeners, my name is Michelle. I am a member of the Collin County Master Gardeners Association. We are volunteers who learn from a research-based curriculum and hands-on experience. Then we pay it forward by sharing our knowledge within our community. My demonstration today is one of the propagation methods used for sweet potatoes, Ipomea batatas. This is the method I have used for the last 3 years to grow sweet potato slips for transplant into my garden bed. Let's get started. My preferred method of sweet potato slip propagation was taught by Jon Traunfeld, an extension specialist from the University of Maryland. As you can see, fill the tray full of soil and then plant your sweet potato in the soil and keep the soil moist. Once the plants emerge, snap off the new growth and then transplant the sweet potato slip in your garden. Here we are planting the new slips in a four-side pot, instead of in the garden. The four-side pot is used for propagating and in this case as a nursery. The soil around the terracotta pot will slowly draw out the water, providing moisture to the new slip while we wait for the last frosting. For transplanting the new slips, use a pencil or the like to create holes instead of forcing the delicate stem into the soil. "14 days have passed and additional roots have developed. This has been a successful propagation and transplant of the sweet potato slips.